Kedrick Miller of Miller Boer Goats. I've been using Rivera Gates for about 10 years now. I use several of their products. Their funnel feeders work extremely well. Their functionality and durability and just overall price comparison to other products here in the Midwest are what led me to using their product. All of our gates, inside and outside, are all Rivera Gates. I use both the 2x4 wire and the 4x4 wire. We've had excellent success using those. They've been a great product for us over the years, and I would highly recommend those for any small ruminant operation.